day trading the small account this morning, making $500 in a matter of minutes. Stay tuned, see how I did it. So I recorded this trade earlier live. I recorded it all, and then I went to edit the video, and the whole entire video is all messed up. You can see just literally just like half the screen recorded. It recorded the audio, but it didn't record the actual trade. So now I'm like, well, I might as well go back and have to do a recap now. This was actually a really, really good trade, a really good video to show you guys. I'm kind of bummed that it got messed up. But you can see YTEN this morning, this crazy move out of nowhere. Nobody saw this coming. This is one of those stocks. It's one of the reasons I tell you guys, you got to be always looking. You got to always be looking at everything, seeing what people are doing, following traders online, or whatever you got to do. Keep an eye on the overall market. Don't get too stuck on one stock. You can see YTEN this morning jumping up there from the $2 area now up there to $8.60. It's up 275%. This thing is insane. So I had a lot of issues with my computer this morning. It was lagging really bad. So I ended up taking profit pretty quick on this one. But you can see YTEN jumping there above this $5 area. So we had this $5 resistance. I jumped in there right before we broke over $5. Got filled there at $4.99. Most of the shares, $4.98, some of the shares, but mostly $4.99. And I took half on this candle at $5.35. And I took another half. And I took the rest there at $5.63. So took 500 there, took 500 there. Ended up making $500 on this trade. Beautiful trade here on YTEN. And you can see breaking over that whole dollar. We got halted earlier. This thing went crazy and started to squeeze. And that's what we got. They got this crazy action. We were holding $5. Look at this. It actually held $5 for a while here. And then finally made this move up to the $8.60 area. So I wasn't able to trade it anymore because I was trying to restart my computer and uninstall stuff. And I don't know what was going on. But I really need a new computer. I really, really need a new computer badly. I've been waiting for the new iMac Pro, but it's just taking forever to come out. I don't know what's going on with it. But you can see YTEN making beautiful move this morning. This is the 1 minute chart. You can see it got a little extended, but it was, halted. Had the volume, had the action. Look at the action here. You get 200, 300,000 shares traded on each of these 1 minute candles. Very good sign. And then once we started holding this $5 area, that was looking really nice. And then from $5 up there to $8.60. So high of day now, $8.60. At one point, it was up like over 300%. You can see it's pulling back now, maybe 400% actually, because from $2 up to $8 would have been about 400% move there. But YTEN paying the bills this morning, making $500. So you can see my P&L there, making $505 in a matter of minutes here on this trade on YTEN. Alerted in the chat room live before the move happened, before that break over $5. It broke over $5 and then pulled back down there to 501 and then went higher. So beautiful move, really a beautiful move. And it's one of those days, one of those easy stocks where you're just going to jump in, take the ride, and make profit. So look at this, up there to $8.60. That would have been beautiful. But you can see it got stuck here. It got above $6, got stuck there at the 620, pulled back, and then was having trouble there again at $6. So he pulled back below $6, was having trouble. We were bouncing $5, $6, $5, $6, and then finally starting to trend back higher there. Riding the 9 EMA, getting tight right here. Look at this break over $6. Boom. Exploding up there to $8.60. So watching the volume there. Look at the volume. Consolidating, and then volume ramping up through this whole move right here. And then there was the bulk of the volume there for that move. Over $6. Up there to $8.60. It's pulling back right now. This thing's been all over the place. It's up over 300, 400, 500%. Whatever you want to call it. YTEN, the big mover of the day. This stock was hot. And it came up out of nowhere, and we were ready to trade it once it kind of looked safe, once it had the volume there. This first candle only had 100,000 shares traded. Wasn't that safe. It got halted. Volume comes in on this candle. We get above $5, and boom. That's how we made the money there. YTEN, paying the bills today, making money. YTEN. So hopefully you guys got some action there on YTEN this morning. If you guys haven't, hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, make sure you come and try out the free. Make sure you come and try out the chat room this week. Got a free trial going on. Just send me an email, info@plandaytradeprofit.com. We'll get you in there for a free trial. You can try it out. If you don't like it, you can leave. If you like it, you can make some money, whatever. I'll talk to you guys later on.